Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Today I am sharing the most beautiful and amazing necklace designs with you guys. Basically these are crochet necklace designs which I am sharing with you, so you must be watching my video without skipping it out till end. Look how pretty and adorable these designs of necklaces are. I'm in love with the collection of these necklaces. I hope so that you guys would also be enjoying on my video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Go visit my videos. If you like my videos and content, then do share it with other people as well. I'll surely and honestly be working hard for you with the same grace and will be bringing on the best of the data content designs for you guys. Thank you for your unconditional love and support. It really means a lot to me. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Go visit my videos. If you like my videos, then do share it with other people as well. I'll honestly and surely be working hard for you with the same grace. If you have any kind of question or query regarding this video, you can clarify right through me in the comment section. I'm always there to guide you and to support you. May Allah bless you all forever. Do give me honest reviews about today's video as well. I have tried my level best to bring the up to mark and amazing content designs for you guys. I hope so that you guys will not be getting bored with my video and would be enjoying my content as well. Thank you for watching and supporting. If you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel guys, go subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when my new video is out. I'll be surely and honestly working hard for you with the same grace and will be bringing on the best of the data content designs for you guys. May Allah bless you all forever. Thank you for watching my videos. Do give me honest reviews about today's video as well. Will surely and honestly be waiting for your honest reviews. Thank you for your unconditional love and support. May Allah bless you all forever. This was it for the video of today. We'll be right back soon with some new and amazing content. Till then, Allah Hafiz fi Amanul.